Jianglin Stainless Steel, Capillary Tube Production Process. Welcome to Jianglin, a stainless steel manufacturer with 25 years of experience and industry-leading production facilities. At Jianglin, we are committed to producing high-quality capillary tubes that fully comply with the ISO 9001 quality management system. Capillary tube forming starts with stainless steel strips, which are rolled and TG welded into tube blanks. A floating plug is inserted into the tube, and through pilgering, drawing, and precision die reduction, both wall thickness and diameter are accurately controlled. After forming and welding, the stainless steel capillary tubes undergo solid solution treatment at 1050 degrees Celsius. This process eliminates internal stress caused by deformation and significantly reduces the risk of stress corrosion. After annealing, the tubes are treated through acid pickling or mechanical polishing for a clean, smooth surface. They are then cut to exact lengths using automated precision cutting equipment. Each tube is clearly marked, securely bundled, and professionally packed to ensure safe delivery to our global customers. Precision you can trust. Jianglin stainless steel capillary tubes, crafted for quality, built to perform.